This is my updated eyebrow routine using Mooiste Meisie Brow Tattoo. It does come in two shades, the dark brown and the black. I normally gravitate towards the brown because it does give me more of a natural looking brow. Even though I do have black hair on my head, but I still use the brown and it works out just fine. These are the two brushes that I'm using. The first one is the spoolie, just to run through my brows first. And then I do take the product onto the other brush, and then I apply a little bit of product onto the brush. When I say a little bit, I mean a little bit, because with Mooiste Meisie products, you don't need to apply a ton of product to achieve your desired look. That's the good thing about their products, is because you don't need a lot of product, which means your products will last. Okay, so I'm creating, this is just the way I do my brows, by creating like a line on the bottom section of my brows, and I run that line throughout my brows. And after that, I use the spoolie just to blend the product into my brows. You'll see me use the spoolie quite often because, especially after small sections, I'll use that spoolie just to blend it in. Like I said, blend that product into my brows, because I do like more of a natural looking brow. I don't want the lines or the hair-like strokes to show. I want it to look very natural. And the first time I applied this brow tattoo onto my brows, it reminded me of like a microbladed look on my brows. And I always said that it looks as if I just had my brows microbladed, and it's just by using this product. So this is a microbladed product in a bottle, in a tube. So I'm doing the same thing on the other brow, creating that line at the bottom, and then I'm filling in the gaps. And my gaps are usually like the front section of the brow and towards like the middle of the brow. So that's where I'll focus on with the product. And that's why you'll see me focus it more towards the front. That's where my gaps are. And then I'm just doing the same thing, applying the product and brushing it through. Look how nice and natural that looks. And then just to show you why it's called the brow tattoo, I'm running my fingers quite harshly and heavily through my brows, and it ain't going anywhere.